Nope.
Ô, filha da puta!
Dare, you're on. What are you waiting for? Don't stay there. Headquarters to I.N.K. Come in. What's going on? Did you get the toy?
Shut up!
What are you two doing outside? Do you realize how late it is?
Well, Zero and I are just, kind of romantic, don't you think?
Yes. Yes, you're right, kids. It is very romantic. But you shouldn't be outside this late at night. So off to bed with you. And make it snappy.
Are you crazy? Why'd you go and say that? Now he'll think we're in love.
So, that bothers you? I know plenty of girls who would be honored.
Then go with them. My idea of romantic is take my and I'll break yours. Get my drift?
Today, my children, we are going to study love. Yes, love. This wonderful feeling which draws people to one another. With love, people don't feel all alone in the world anymore. Nothing's more beautiful than two people in love. Their hearts filled with joy. The thoughts turn to fun. They are happy. They sing and dance and laugh. And when at last they are alone, look at what they do. They go up to their bedroom, lie down on their bed, and then living. They wait for to bring them a big slubbering baby.
Miss Macbeth, are you sure that's how it happens?
What makes you think otherwise, Van? Could it be that you know more than us on the subject of love? Tell us all about it. Come on, don't be shy. Tell us about what you do with your boyfriend. How you walk at night. How you tricked me into swallowing vodka in my sleep. Come on, little brat. Own up. Tell me you did it.
That's not where babies come from.
She's right, ma'am. That's not how babies are born.
True. It is.
No, everybody knows that babies are born under cabbages.
That's not how it happens.
Dirty brats. They're all against me. I'll have to manage by myself. Never mind. I'm used to coping alone. I'll get my hands on those.
And now, back to Superbook. And now, back to Flying House.
Butterflies have a secret trick to attract their partner. They give off a special which scientists called pheromones. These pheromones are extremely effective, even in tiny quantities. They cause a state of great excitement in the individual who smells them. Not to worry, little butterflies. I only need a smell that makes you fall in love. I will use them to make my love-struck stink bombs. Maybe we should have told Trixie.
It's none of her business. We forgot the toys we're getting them. It's as simple as that.
Hey, Zero, did you see the stars?
Stars? What about the stars? Huh?
They're beautiful.
Yeah, you're right. They're so beautiful.
Guess what? In a moment like this, I feel I can do just about anything.
Same here. Hey, could you jump to that big tree over there?
With you? Yeah. don't believe it. Did we really jump from up there?
Yeah, it was your idea, wasn't it?
Mr. Supper, I love you. When I saw you yesterday, I thought you were just beautiful. I was last night. Come quickly to my office and shower me with signed your.
Miss Macbeth, I have to speak. Please understand, I was very moved by the charm of this, letter, but you and I are colleagues, first and foremost, so I wanted to ask you.
Ask me what?
Oh, tell me, Sadie, how can it be that you are so pretty?
What's he talking about, that Minnie? Oh, I think I understand now.
I'd do anything to please you. Tell me what I must do.
Babies are delivered by babies. Girls in pink sheets, boys in blue sheets.
Good answer, Fred.
Be careful, Newt. Your head.
Nope. Ô filha da puta!
Miss Macbeth, look! There's someone out there on the roof! Oh, I think we've been spotted!
Don't panic. We're almost there. Continue the operation.
I know who they are. They're Vin and Zero. They got up to all sorts of lately. I already caught them in the park in the middle of the night, twice.
So you're the invisible network of kids. Ah, at last I'm going to make you pay for all the you gave me.
My sweet Sadie, you mustn't hold it against them. They're in love, that's all.
I don't mind, supper dearest, as long as they